Alright, so I've got my axe, but I don't want to travel with it uncovered like this, because I do like to have them really sharp, and that's just an accident waiting to happen. A leather sheath is very easy for this to chop through with some pressure, and so you need a wooden one, and this is where a Тэпку, that's the Evenki word for these types of sheaths for axes, will come in very handy. So let me show you how I made it. Obviously I just made some holes in my piece of wood, slightly longer than my axe. You, of course, in a forest situation, you just use your knife, make grooves, burn some holes through the end, and carve and chip out a groove in the middle here. In a modern situation, you can use an oscillating saw or a Dremel or a chisel or whatever tool you have to make this work. But now let me show you how to wrap the string. I got some paracord here without the inner strands. It ties better if you take the inner strands out. To make your string happen, slide your string through and back through one more time. You'll get this little strand, get your little loop in your groove. Then we're going to bring this over the top and back through the hole. Alright, there you go. Got that side done. Now, on the other side, you're gonna go, you came out with your long piece, you came out this side, go back in the same side like so, and you're gonna make this loop. Doesn't have to be big, just a little loop. Go back through. Alright, now to lock it in place, we will go back over the top and out. Again, tighten it in that groove. And here is what your finished sheath will look like. It's got this loop on one side, one long tail, a shorter tail on this side. Put it on your axe. Alright, to put your sheath on, just place it through there. Run your string around through there and tie your two pieces off wherever they end up. There you go. I'm not going to cut through you like a leather sheath will, and it'll protect your blade. So there you go. Go out there and make yourself an Evenki Тэпку.